History remembers kings, warriors, and conquerors. But today, let me take you to a woman who conquered fear, lies, and silence not with weapons, but with truth. I am Apurva, and this is History and Forgotten Legends on One World News. Today's forgotten legend is Nellie Bly, the woman who didn't just report the news.
Deadline is fast approaching, gentlemen. We need that story on the asylum expose now.
She changed journalism forever. Born in 1864 in the United States, at a time when women were expected to remain invisible, obedient, and unheard, Nellie Bly chose danger over comfort, questions over silence, and truth over approval. In an era when journalism meant sitting safely behind a desk, Nellie Bly did the unthinkable. She pretended to be mentally ill, just to expose the horrific conditions inside a women's asylum. Locked inside, abused, ignored, and treated as less than human. What she witnessed shook the conscience of a nation. Her reporting didn't just reveal cruelty, it forced reforms, saved lives, and proved that journalism could be an instrument of justice. But she didn't stop there. Nellie Bly went on to do what no woman had done before. She traveled around the world in just 72 days, breaking records, defying stereotypes, and rewriting what women were told they could not do. She faced mockery. She faced resistance. She faced danger. Yet she stood fearless. Because Nellie Bly believed something powerful, that the truth is worth risking everything for. Today, when investigative journalism fights for space in a noisy world, when truth struggles against propaganda and courage feels rare, remember her. Nellie Bly didn't just report history, she made it. Some legends fade because the world forgets them. Others fade because they were too powerful for their time. Nellie Bly belongs to the second kind. I am Apurva, and this was History and Forgotten Legends on One World News, where we don't just tell stories. We revive them.